Hello everyone, welcome back once again. So today we discuss questions based on linear differential equation. ठीक है, इसके पिछले वीडियो में हमने डिस्कस किया था linear differential equation क्या होता है, उसका सोल्यूशन लिखने का हमने प्रोसेस भी लिखाया था और कुछ क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व किया गया था. ठीक है, इस वीडियो में भी हम कुछ क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे. तो इसमें एक क्वेश्चन है जो आपके CBSE एग्ज़ाम 2004, 7 एंड 11 में आया हुआ है. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन ये है, क्वेश्चन ये जो आपका आया हुआ है इसमें ये है कि dy/dx माइनस y/x dy/dx माइनस y/x इज़ इक्वल टू 2x². ठीक है, ये आपका 2004 फिर 7 फिर 11. ठीक है, में ये आया हुआ है. तो कोई बात नहीं, आया हुआ अच्छी बात है. ठीक है, अब इसका सोल्यूशन लिखेंगे कैसे, क्वेश्चन तो यही है 2x². ठीक है, अब इसमें सिर्फ दिया है सॉल्व द डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन दिस. ठीक है, तो सोल्यूशन कैसे करेंगे. पहली बात, क्या ये लीनियर डिफरेंशियल है कि नहीं है. ठीक है, तो जो लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है, पहले हम उस फॉर्म में इसको लिखेंगे. ठीक है, तो कैसे लिखेंगे उसको देखिए. सोल्यूशन, so you can write sorry, given that dy/dx माइनस y/x इज इक्वल टू 2x². ठीक है, ये जो दिया हुआ है एज इट इज़, इसको ऐसे ही लिखेंगे हम. अब आगे लिखेंगे आप, द एबव इक्वेशन कैन बी रिटन एज, कैन बी रिटन एज, कैसे लिख सकते हैं, dy/dx प्लस माइनस 1/x y इज इक्वल टू 2x². ठीक है, हमने क्या किया है, हियर we want to write the given differential equation in the form of linear differential equation. So what is the form of linear differential equation? It means dy/dx plus py is equal to q. Okay, so here we write in plus then minus with 1/x. Now the above equation in the form of the above equation in the form dy/dx plus py is equal to q, where p is equal to minus 1/x and q is equal to 2x². Okay, the above equation in the form dy/dx plus py is equal to q, where p is equal to this and q is equal to this. Now integrating factor, what is e raised to power integration of p dx. This is the formula. Here you can also write the above equation in the form of linear differential equation, in the form of LDE, linear differential equation this, where p is equal to minus 1/x and q is equal to 2x². ठीक है, linear differential equation, here we read linear differential equation, so given differential equation we write in the form of linear differential equation. Okay, now what is p minus 1/x, so we can write here e raised to power integration of minus outside 1/x dx, and again we write here e raised to power minus of integration of 1/x dx, what is log x. Again we write minus in the power, so we have here e raised to power log 1/x. and e to the power log. So we have here 1 by x is the integrating factor. Okay, so here we find integrating factor. Now the solution of the given equation of the given equation is given by what is y into integrating factor is equal to integration of right hand side, that is q, into integrating factor dx plus c. This is the formula how you can write if we have integrating factor in the case of linear differential equation. So we write in this way. So y into integrating factor 1 by x is equal to q, integration of q. What is the value of q? 2x square. So we write 2x square into 1 by x dx plus c. Okay, any doubt? Now here x, so we write here 2x dx plus c, to outside integration of x dx plus c, 2 into integration of x, that is x square by 2 plus c, 2 and 2 cancel, so we have x square plus c. Here what? Y by x. Also you can write, this implies that y is equal to x cube plus cx. So this is the answer of the given differential equation, which is in the exam year 2004, 7 and 11. So this is the solution of the given linear differential equation. So if you want to write, so just you copy this. Linear differential equation is very simple. I think you got it everything about LDE. It means linear differential equation. Okay. First we write in the form of LDE, and we on the comparison we want to write the value of p and q, and we write integrating factor. So write we solution in this way. So write down, or just you pause the video and take a screenshot and you can write. Now we want to write here next question, that is नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, आप लिख लिए होंगे, ठीक चल रहा अभी तक सब? ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट. So first we write here next question. अगर आप लोगों ने लिखा नहीं इस साइड का तो लिख लीजिए, तब तक मैं इधर लिखता हूँ क्वेश्चन. क्या है क्वेश्चन? ये जो मैं क्वेश्चन करवा रहा हूँ आपको, ये आर.डी. शर्मा बुक में दिया हुआ है, ठीक है, उसी बुक से हम करा रहे हैं. सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है dy बाई dx प्लस y बाई 2x इज इक्वल टू 3x स्क्वायर. ठीक है, अब ये डायरेक्ट किस फॉर्म में दे दिया है? LDE फॉर्म में दे दिया है. तो आप वैल्यू, बट आपको एग्ज़ाम में इसका सलूशन अगर लिखना है तो सिस्टमेटिक लिखना होगा. ठीक है, आपको सिस्टमेटिक ही लिखना होगा। मैं हर एक वीडियो में पहले स्टार्टिंग में एक दो क्वेश्चन को सिस्टमेटिक लिखवा देता हूँ, जिससे आपको ये पता रहे कि एग्ज़ाम में अगर आया तो आंसर आपको लिखना कैसे है, ठीक है। अब यहाँ से आप चाहे तो इसको बहुत शॉर्ट फॉर्म में इसको हम सोल्यूशन कर सकते हैं। कैसे कर सकते हैं, ठीक है। इस क्वेश्चन को भी हम कंप्लीट यहाँ लिखेंगे। सो यू कैन राइट विद मी, ठीक है। गिवन दैट what is dy by dx plus y by 2x is equal to 3x square, ठीक है। Now we can write here the above equation in the form of LDE, linear differential equation, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p is equal to what? Here we left y and we write, so 1 upon 2x, q is 3x square. Now यहाँ तक कोई डाउट, ठीक है। अगली लाइन आपको लिखना है, so what now integrating factor, what is e raised to power integration of p dx, what is the value of p? 1 by 2x. So we write here e integration of 1 by 2x dx, e raised to power what? 1 by 2 in outside from the integration, so we write here 1 by x dx, and integration of 1 by x dx will be log x and power on the x, so we write here e raised to power log x to the power 1 by 2 and e to the power log x, so we have x to the power 1 by 2 is the integrating factor of the given LDE, linear differential equation, ठीक है। अब अगली लाइन क्या आएगी, यहाँ से सीधा आपको सोल्यूशन लिखना है। सो ये तो ऐसे ही लिख देंगे हम। अब देखिए यहाँ से चेंजिंग होगा, so we write here the solution of the given equation is given by y into integrating factor integration of q integrating factor dx plus c, ठीक है। अब यहाँ क्या करेंगे, y इंटू इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर है क्या, व्हाट इज द इंटीग्रेटिंग फैक्टर? x टू द पावर 1 by 2, सो वी राइट x टू द पावर 1 by 2 is equal to integration of q. What is the value of q? 3x square. So we write 3x square, 3x square into x to the power 1 by 2 dx plus c. Now here 3 outside integration. So we have, if we have same basis x and power will be added. So we have what? Integration of x to the power, when we add 2 plus 1 by 2, so we will get 5 by 2 dx plus c. Okay, any doubt till now? Any doubt? No. So what is 3 integration of, how we write here 5 by 2, you know, 2 plus 1 by 2, it means what? 5 by 2. Okay. Now next line will be what? 3 integration of x to the power n. Here we using the formula of integration of x to the power n. So what is the formula? Formula is, so we write another formula here. Yes, here we write integration of x to the power n dx is equal to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. Okay, n not equal to minus 1. If we have here n equal to minus 1, so denominator will be 0. Okay, so that's why we cannot use n equal to minus 1. So just you substitute x to the power n means 5/2 plus 1 upon 5/2 plus 1 plus c. Now calculation, 3x to the power what? 1 plus 5/2, it means x to the power 7/2 upon 7/2 plus c. Now simplify. So we have here 3 into 2 upon 7 x to the power 3 into 2 upon 7 x to the power 7/2 plus c. So we have what? 6/7 x to the power 7/2 plus c y into x to the power 1/2. So this is the answer, or you can write x/2 in that side. So we can write here solution. How you can write? What? So this is the answer, or you can write in root form. So how? Y root x is equal to 6/7 x to the power 7/2 plus c. This is also answer of this question. One answer here we can write also what? Y is equal to, so root x divide in both of them. So we will get here what? So we can write what? Y is equal to 6/7 x cube plus c x to the power minus 1/2. What is? So this is required solution. You can write this is also a solution. We write in the form of, if y is a dependent variable and x is independent variable, so write solution in the form of what? Dependent variable. So dependent variable y is equal to this. So this is the required solution of the given differential equation, given linear differential equation. Okay, so just you what? Photocopy. Now we want to discuss next question. What is next question? This is very important question, which is in your I think 2010 CBSE 2010 exam. So what? Next question will be, so there are lot of questions. So how many questions here we solve? So if you solve any question and if you face any difficulty, so you can comment in comment box, or you can pin the page number or question. So we will provide solution of the question as soon as possible. Okay, so I hope you got it, everything about what is linear differential equation and how we can solve solution of the linear differential equation. One or two question, this is very important, LDE will be in your exam. 1 से 2 क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आएगा ही आएगा इस टॉपिक से. So this is very important. Now next question will be, here we write one question. One more question. So question is what? CBSE 8 and 12, dy by dx plus y sec x. Okay, dy by dx plus y sec x is equal to tan x. So this is CBSE in 2008 and 12. So now we want to solve this question. Okay, so how you can solve? So first we write here given that, or you can write the given differential equation can be written in the form of what? The above equation can be written as, the above equation can be written as what? dy by dx plus sec x y is equal to tan x. And next line you can write, which is a linear differential equation. Okay, which is in the form of LDE. In your exam you can't write LDE. You can write linear differential equation full, not LDE. So in the form of LDE, dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p is equal to sec x, q is equal to tan x. Now what? Here we want to find integrating factor, and then we write solution of the linear differential equation. So first we want to find integrating factor. तो क्या होता है? Now integrating factor is equal to integration of what? e to the power integration of p dx, integration of sec x dx. So integration of sec x, what is the formula? Log sec x plus tan x. So we write here log sec x plus tan x. Again we write e to the power log. So log cancel. So we have here sec x plus tan x. So this is the integrating factor. Okay. We can write here value of p sec x, and then we find here integrating factor, which is sec x plus tan x. Now we want to write what? In the formula, the solution of the given equation is given by this is, and now here we want to substitute the value of integrating factor and something. So first here we substitute the value of integrating factor, and then we calculating something, and then we integrate, and we have the required solution. So how? Y into integrating factor, that is sec x plus tan x is equal to right hand side tan x in bracket integrating factor tan x, sec x plus tan x is the integrating factor. Now here what is the task? Task is how we can integrate this type of integration. Okay. So now integration of, first we multiply sec x tan x dx plus integration of tan square x dx plus c. ठीक है. अब integration of sec x into tan x, so we have direct what is sec x. ठीक है. Now we don't have any formula related to tan square x, so here we use trigonometrical formula, that is what, tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1. Okay, so we can write here this implies, or you can write y sec x plus tan x. Now what is the integration? Sec x, integration of first, and now in second, plus integration of sec square x minus 1 is the formula, plus c. And now we break the integration in the property of integration, sec x plus integration of sec square x dx minus integration of dx plus c. Okay, now sec x plus, what is the integration of sec square x? Tan x minus integration x plus c. So here we can write y into y is equal, this implies that here you can write y sec x plus tan x is equal to tan x minus x plus c. So this is the required solution of the given differential equation, this which is in your exam already came. So what is in 2008 and 12. So this is the data which is required solution. So just you photocopy of this question, you write. I think you got it everything about what is LDE. If you have any query or any question related to linear differential equation, so you can comment in comment box and I will provide the solution. So in differential equation, here we solve each property of the differential equation in your syllabus. So differential equation is also a book, but in your syllabus this is only a chapter. Here we write differential equation, solution of differential equation, only 3 methods. First variable separable, second homogeneous, third linear differential equation. We can solve another differential equation, and we have another various method to solve differential equation. If you further read mathematics in higher mathematics, so you can read at that time. So I hope you got it everything about in this video. Any query, so you can comment. So here we discuss some more question in next video and your last exercise 9.4. okay, so here exercise 9.3 in before COVID time. In COVID time your syllabus will be what, shorts, छोटा किया गया था, कुछ उसमें कम किया गया था. जो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन है वो इस टाइम आपके सिलेबस में नहीं है, पहले था, बट मैंने उसको भी डिस्कस कर दिया है, तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वो आपके लिए ही है, आपकी जानकारी के लिए करिएगा उसको. ठीक है, तो अगला जो एक्सरसाइज है वो है आपका 9.5. ठीक है, बट इन प्रीवियस वीडियो, इन प्रीवियस बुक्स विच इज़ बिफोर कोविड टाइम, exercise 9.6. okay, so here we write 9.5 in next video, solution of exercise 9.5. so keep watching, keep learning. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.